Hi there, students. Apposite, an adjective. Appositely, the adverb. And I guess a noun, appositeness. Okay, if something is apposite, it's suitable. It's just the right thing. It's exactly what you need. So I need to find some apposite examples of this word so that you can understand it. He made a very apposite remark. It was really pertinent. It was very apt. It was just the job. When making videos, it can sometimes be very difficult to find an apposite picture to go in the thumbnail. Some things are easy, but other things like honesty are incredibly difficult to find an apposite picture to go with them. Okay, so something that's apposite is appropriate. He answered the question appositely, something that's highly pertinent. Yeah, so I think the examples I've given so far are really apposite examples. I think this is quite an apposite explanation. It's pertinent, appropriate, applicable, apropos, germane, pertinent, relevant. Yeah, it's something that's the right thing for the right place. So if you want the clothes that you wear to match, you need to find apposite pieces to wear. This word's related to opposite, and it's a near opposite of opposite's a near opposite of apposite. Okay, he showed all the apposite reactions and emotions, but he didn't actually feel them at all. When writing an essay, it's very important to use apposite vocabulary and apposite formality that fits in exactly with the tone of the thing that you're writing. Okay, so it's apposite and relevant. I think Fleabag is a very apposite name for this dog. Yeah, he said some things that were not apposite to what we were talking about. You need to find an apposite answer to this question, a suitable one, an appropriate one. We need to find an apposite solution to this. Notice as well, apposite, appropriate, but also very appropriate, just the right thing, exactly what you wanted. Yeah, something that's very fitting. He made a speech that was extremely apposite to the situation. He spoke very appositely. Yeah, he said exactly what needed to be said. Okay, the appositeness of his speech was just right. Okay, so strikingly appropriate, well suited to the circumstance. Yeah, related perfectly. So your next question, how formal is this? This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. Informally, use suitable, appropriate, relevant, something like that. This is a word for a semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, this word will add formality to your writing. So it's only apposite in formal settings. And then as to origin, it's another one that comes from Latin, from appositus, from ad ponere, add to, and ponere to put or to place. So to place in the right position, I guess. So I hope my explanation has been apposite and you understand it well. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. That would be apposite. Subscribe to my channel for more apposite videos for your level of English. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Apposite.